Well, look at that, guys. Parked me car outside and walked up on a crane. I think that's a sand crane. Looks like it. I'm walking up to it. I don't know if I'm going to spook it or not, but I'm going to walk slowly. Hi, Mr. Crane. Guys, see that? He's checking me out and I'm checking him out. That's a beautiful animal. Look at that. See if I can walk up just a little. I don't want to get too close and spook him. Hi, Mr. Crane. All right, guys. Just wanted to bring that to you. Well, look at there. Peace.